Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia, with some cash commodity commentary for Monday, February the 4th. It's about 3:15 or so Eastern Time. Had an interesting turn of events today as the cotton market certainly got divided. We had the old crop. Initially, all cotton went down, but then old crop took a bigger slide, although it did repair itself. Spot March was only down about 124 points. New crop actually closed slightly higher. And as of right now, they're less than 30, 40 points that separate them. So we're close to doing some type of market inversion, whatever that means. But nonetheless, it looks like December cotton wants to try that 8,200 level and just to see what's up there. So I'm sure there's a world of sell orders up there. Hopefully maybe one or two of them might be yours. Over in the grains today, we sort of struggled all around in a way. We did not get the rain in Argentina that was talked about over the weekend, and we were a little disappointed the way the corn market handled that. We actually closed down a little bit in the front end and actually up a little bit in the back end. New crop September went out at 6.17, up a penny. It halted at 6.20, which is a pretty key resistance area. So for it to go higher, we would probably have to take that out, of course, and then we would see just how fast we might run up. The beans, on the other hand, really had a pretty good rally today. We're up about 25 cents at one time. We finished about 11 cents higher. Read a very interesting article that talked about how they're like, I'm close to accurate on this, there's like 175 cargo ships lined up at Port Santos in South America to take on a ton of beans or two. A year ago at this time, there were only 72 ships. Now, I don't know that the global economy was rocking and rolling then, so there were plenty of ships available. So it certainly speaks to the demand, I think, of soybeans. And so, but $15 on the old crop is seemingly a pretty big resistance area. So we'd have to crack through that. And again, February, I don't know, could be a very choppy month. We're going to have just about all eyes on South America and how that crop fares and progresses, if it even does fare and progress, so to speak. The wheat market slightly down today. Wheat's been a huge mystery, although I just think at some point in time, the market will be forced to come back and address certainly crop losses that have happened in the U.S. Winter wheat crop, and then of course abroad. It's been very cold in the Ukraine and Russia and in the Eastern Europe, and that would be I think that's going to be pretty telling before too long. Not a big bull move in wheat, but certainly something better than this. Fuel today was very mixed. Crude oil down as the dollar was up because of the European stuff. Heating oil traded both sides, but finished slightly, or is right now slightly lower as of this broadcast. So let's see what tomorrow brings. Not an inauspicious start to tomorrow, to the new month rather, but just a nervous one. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.